Hello and welcome to this episode of The Unnoticed Entrepreneur, which I think you're going to love. You're going to find it really nourishing at the risk of using the term. And we're going to meet Melissa Snover, who is the founder and CEO of a company called Nourished.
Thank you so much for having me. It's great to be here. So Nourished is really the world's first authentically manufactured, personalized nutrition product. I think when you're starting something new, and certainly when you're doing something no one has ever done before, you have to make the mistakes because there's no case study that I can look at, no book, there's no guidebook, there's no dummy's guide to how to build a 3D printing nutrition business. We are really comfortable with failing, and we actually have something in our Friday meetings where we do failure brags. And we celebrate failure and then what we learn from it, as opposed to hide that, don't talk about it. When you're brand new and you have no customers, it's really tricky to get social proof, but it's also the biggest, I think, needle mover in the way that you can convert new customers. We live in a world now where reviews are necessary to win conversion. And that is because of TripAdvisor and because of Trustpilot and because of Amazon. Reviews are absolutely vital, but it's really challenging when you are brand new because how can you have customer reviews when you have no customers at all? So we went until probably the end of April of the first year of trading, just contacting every person who purchased, getting their really authentic and honest feedback, making adjustments where we could improve, where they were giving us feedback where we're like, we could actually modify slightly that and it would actually really help. I think real customers are such a better ambassador and proponent and spokespeople of our brand. My team went and found all of the vegan influencers in the UK that were talking authentically about products, and we went and found all the people who were talking about keto diets and avoiding sugar. And so that was the first step in getting people to even notice that we had even launched, because we did not have any big marketing budget for that.
Now, this is just a 2-minute trailer for a full 20-minute show. The show will be dropping into your feed in the next day or so, so do look out for it and do enjoy it, share it, and review it. Thanks for listening to this trailer of The Unnoticed Entrepreneur.